Here is a Vornado heater that I have in front of the camera. This one I bought from a yard sale over the summertime, and I took it out to clean it and oil the fan motor. And see, this Vornado, the model number is underneath here. The model number here, as you can see, is vh2. I have one like this one as well with the box. This one is from 2004, according to this label here. And here's the top with the continuous and high and automatic settings, high and low for the heat. And I see there's no fan noise setting, as the fan would blow the heat. But this one is rated up to 1500 watts on the highest setting. And here's my other Vornado. This is a newer one that I have. It's not a lot different except for the logo and the color up top here. And this is also a different label, as you can see, a little different. This one here I had since new, and it still works. So here's the white one I'm showing. I'll turn on now. This is the low setting, like I said. Here's the back side here. See this where the fan motor gets attached, and there are screws in here and down here that I can take apart to do the cleaning and oiling the motor. So here's a startup of the motor. So it is quiet, as you can hear. It has this heater has 3 plastic blades. There's the thermostat here, settings for high heat and weather. The heat there would turn off automatically based on temperature or continuous setting. And see, this is the older logo for the Vornado heater of this model that's still being made, and like I said, the new model, the one that I showed, the newer one has the different logo. So there you go, a white Vornado heater. Goodbye.